there are many people who have lot of surplus money with them, and they have so much of surplus money, and they are short of time, and they want to enjoy life.
Okay.
They want to enjoy life.
Oh,
So they have money. They do not want to spend their time in earning more money by themselves. They would like to use their time for enjoying their life. So what these people do? These people create venture capital fund, or they create private equity fund. What is the difference between the two? In principle, remember, the objective of both the private equity fund and the venture capital fund is same. And what is that objective? That objective is somebody's surplus money is made available to professionals as a fund. These professionals are paid very handsome salary. And why they are paid very handsome salary? Because the mandate which is given to them is that they have to earn very handsome return on these funds. Now, these professional fund managers, whether of a venture capital fund or of a private equity fund, will constantly be looking for opportunities where they can invest, deploy this surplus fund, so that they are able to get good return for the promoter of the fund. This is your private equity fund and your venture capital fund. There is a slight difference between the private equity fund and the venture capital fund. Please remember, venture capital funds are also private equity fund only. The only difference is venture capital funds will invest their money, or will not mind invest their money even in riskier ventures. So when I say riskier ventures, it does not mean a risk point blank. It means they will not mind investing money in the greenfield project, where the promoter is a technocrat who is techno savvy, whose strength are in technology. So they will not mind fund a new venture and take a risk. And why they would do so? They would do so because they see to earn disproportionately high return from this investment. Whereas private equity fund, they will be more conservative in making their investment decisions. So they would not make investment in risky ventures. They would make investment where they are expecting a reasonable return without taking unreasonable risk. This is the difference between the private equity fund and venture capital fund.